All right, hello guys. Good morning. Welcome to our live trading session for today. So, if this is the first time of joining my live trading session, you're welcome. So, on this session, I analyze the trade live and give out scalping trades when I get a good opportunity. Okay. So, this is not a demo trading session. All right. So, your demo is meant for practicing. All right, you can do that when you want to practice, how to trade the forex market yourself. But for this session, you need to fund your account. Join me when I'm placing live trades, when I give live signal. Okay. So to fund your account, just click on the banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Now, if you click on the banner and make deposit, I have a premium group where you'll be added to. And when you become a premium member, you get to enjoy free signals, free market report, and free market analysis. Okay. So if you click on the banner where deposit with benefit is written on, it will take you to the deposit page. Now, when you get to the deposit page, if you deposit $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit up to $200 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And then you also get to have a live session with me. Okay, a private session where I'll be able to teach you, guide you on how to become a profitable forex trader, and even share my personal trading strategy with you. Okay. So guys, go fund your account. Come and join the premium group. All right. So let's get into the activity of today. Let's see what is going on in the forex market. Uh, so I gave out the signal yesterday to make up for the loss we took here during our live trading session. Okay, and you see the market went uh, straight to our second take profit. Okay, hit our first take profit around this zone, then hit our second take profit around this area. All right. So if you held this trade, congratulations. So let's see what we can make out of XAU USD for today. Let's see what is going on with XAU USD. All right. So let me start by drawing my breakout structure. Okay, let me see if there's a breakout structure happening around that area. If it's a valid breakout structure, then we can expect the price to move even higher. Yeah, so I wish I had seen this earlier. This could have been a perfect entry. You see, we have a fair value gap here. Okay, and as you can see, the market is currently respecting the fair value gap. All right, the market is respecting the fair value gap. All right, so let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. 30 minutes time frame rather. Okay, so on the 30 minutes time frame, as you can see, the market has moved way past our entry point. Okay, remember this is the 30 minutes time frame. The market has moved way past our entry point. So this could have been my entry. This high here will be my take profit, and my stop loss is not going to be far. Right, so this would have been my entry. So this would have been my first take profit. You see, so we would have made money from this trade if we saw this entry earlier. Okay, so but this has moved past way past our entry level. So it's best if we just make another analysis, look for another opportunity from another instrument. Okay. All right. So since we are already at this area, let's just continue to move, downwards. Then after this, we go to the first instrument above. Okay, so let's make analysis on Ethereum USDT. Okay, let's make analysis on Ethereum USDT. All right, so let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's up with the 1 hour time frame. All right, so for BTC USDT, okay, so for BTC USDT, you see we had a break of structure here. This is the 1 hour time frame, and as you can see, obviously the market has been trading to the downside, and it also aligns well with our trend line channels. You see, we have the upper trend line and the lower trend line, which make up the trend line channel. So our trend line channel is confirming to us that the market is on downtrend. Okay, it's going bearish. So when the market is going bearish, what are you looking out for? You want to look out for a sell opportunity. Okay, you want to look out for a sell opportunity. I'm not saying you can't buy even if the market is on downtrend. Just that if you want to buy, you need to be very careful. You don't want to go long on your buy. Okay, you want to buy for a very short time. You see, I use the word very, not just short time, a very short time. Okay, you don't want to stay too long in the market because if the market catch up with you, so all right, so from here we have our change of character, and the market has been breaking lows. Okay, broke this low, and then after breaking this low, what happened? The market made a retest. After breaking this low, what happened? This market also made a retest around this area. Made a retest here where we have our order block, and then the market is currently on this level, but the market hasn't broken any low. Okay, because this is the current low, and the market hasn't broken the low, though we have the internal structures. So let's go down to the 15 minutes time frame where we have internal structures. So for our internal structure, so let me go back to the 1 hour time frame. Let me show you guys something. You see, this is our external structure. Okay, everything that is happening here is our external structure. So we have a change of character, we have break of structure, and we have this low. Okay, the market hasn't broken this structure, so this is just a low for now. Okay, but whatever happened inside this area, okay, inside all of this area is internal, not external. Okay, whatever happened, now we have internal movement. Okay, we have all these internal movements right now is still inside this structure, this break of structure. Okay, all of this move is still inside it. Okay, but if this market comes below this level, now comes below this low, then we have a break of structure, which is an external break of structure. Okay, but right now, the market, we want to see what is going on with the internal structure. Okay, we want to see what is going on with the internal structure. Now, we have the internal structure, and as you can see from here, we have a low, we have a higher low, we have a higher low, a higher low, and a higher low up to this level. Okay, and then from this level, as you can see, the market broke structure to the downside. Okay, so the market successfully break our trend line to the downside, leaving us with a liquidity pool here. Okay, leaving us with a liquidity pool here. Okay, okay, yes. And then we have a change of character here. Okay, so now we have a change of character. All right. So the move that created this change of character, the last bullish move before the change of character is this move. Okay, so that means the whole of this area from here to here, we want to look out for our order block. All right, so the market movement around this area where the market left either a gap or um, another block. Okay, so we want to check those levels out and then draw a box on them indicating that that is our order block or fair value gap zone. So right now we have this zone. Okay, we have this zone, and then we have these two areas. Okay, so I'm not going to use this. Let me use this instead. Okay, let me use this instead. Yes, this is better because here we have another block. So we have another block, and yeah. Okay, so I'm not going to use this. I'm not going to use that level because if you look at this closely, let me zoom out on this. You will see this candle went above this candle. Okay, it went above this bullish candle. Okay, so this is a retest. Okay, it's a retest from this fair value gap, which means this fair value gap has already been mitigated. Okay, so mitigation means complete retest or complete pullback. All right, so please don't get confused when you hear me making use of the term mitigated. Okay, all right, so you see the market has already completed its pullback around this area. So this is the area where we have fair value gap, and then we have another block above it, right above it. Okay. All right. So these are our point of interests. These are our point of interests. Now, on the 1 hour time frame, okay. Okay, so on the 30 minutes time frame where we have our order block and fair value gap, this is what I'm currently waiting for. Okay, I want the market to come to this level and the high, which is the recent high here. This would be my take profit, and the recent low would be my stop loss. Now I can use this to be my my take profit rather. So the high is going to be my stop loss because I'm looking for a sell opportunity here. So high is for stop loss, low is for take profit. Now this high here is going to be my stop loss, and then this low is going to be my take profit level. All right. Okay, so we have analysis on BTC USDT. Okay, we have analysis on BTC USDT. All right, so um, let's go down to 15 minutes time frame. Let's see if we can get a scalping opportunity to enter this trade. So here you can also see the work of the internal structure, what the internal structure has done previously. You see, so the internal structure came down to this level and then broke above this high. Okay, this lower high. So the market broke above the high. So the market broke above the high, giving us a change of character because the initial movement here is a downtrend. Okay, but when the market came to this low, we were expecting the market to come down to at least this level. Give us, sorry, we want the market to go below this level uh, because as you can see here, we have this low, and this low is lower than this previous low. Then this low here, this low is also lower than this low. So we are expecting this low when the market was coming down. We are expecting this low to be lower than this one and this one. Okay, we want the market to go lower, and then when it comes up, we want it to make a retest. But what happened here? You see, the market didn't go below this level. Instead, when it got to this zone, it just the price got rejected, and the market started making bullish move immediately. And then when the market got to this point, you see the market break above this high. All right. So now this market is going to pull up. Okay. This market is going to pull up, and it will need to pull down first to this level before getting to this point. Okay. So you see, I think for this we might be having double entry opportunities. Okay. I think we might have more than one entry opportunity. So we can buy from here and then sell from this level. Okay. So, but I would prefer if the market comes down to this level before I take my buy trade. Okay. I would want the market to come down to this level before I take my buy trade. So let's go down to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay. All right. So this is what I'm expecting. This is the move I'm expecting the market to make. Right. So this level will be my first take profit level. My entry is going to be from here. All right. So this is the analysis for BTC USDT, and as I always say, um, being a forex trader requires a lot of patience. Okay. So right now, we want the market to come down to this level before we place a buy trade. All right. So you need to have a plan, and you need to be able to follow the plan. The plan. All right. So if the market doesn't come down to this level, I'm not placing a buy trade for BTC USDT. And BTC USDT is a very it's an instrument with high volatility. Okay. So you want to be mindful of your entry points, your stop losses, and your take profit. Okay. So I'll keep a lookout on this. When the market comes down to this level, and I get a good confirmation for a buy. So hopefully, if we are still live by then, I can give it out. If we are not live, then I'll just send it to my premium members. Okay. So if you want to get this, just fund your account on this live stream. Fund your account. Click on that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. So once you click on the banner, it will take you to the deposit page. And once you are on the deposit page, just fund your account with at least $10. $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit up to $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And if you fund up to $200 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And then you also get access to me, okay, a one-on-one live trading session. So let's move on to the next instrument, which is I don't know if I should call it the younger brother or the sibling of USDT, yeah, BTC USDT. Okay, because Ethereum is always doing exactly what BTC is doing. So if the BTC market is moving bullish, the Ethereum market would also be moving bullish. In fact, most times when I have my analysis done on BTC, I don't pay too much attention to making a new analysis on Ethereum. Instead, I just make decision on the analysis with the analysis I've made on BTC because they have similar moves. Okay, they have similar moves. So that is why um, it is, not advisable to trade both of them at the same time. Okay, I think the only time you can trade both of them is if you have a sentiment. Okay, let's say you make a sentiment analysis where you have different opinions. Maybe you are getting a buy and a sell at the same time, and you don't know they want to go for at that particular moment. So you can just decide, okay, I'm going to buy on this and I'm going to sell on this. I'm going to buy this instrument, I'm going to sell this instrument. And whichever one happens goes into profit, at least I'm not going to lose on one and then lose on the other one. Okay. So I'm just saying what people do. Okay. I'm not saying you should do the same. All right. Okay. So let's see what is going on with Ethereum USDT right now. And on the 15 minutes time frame, we can see that the market has closed above our moving average. Okay. So trust me, this is a good opportunity for a buy. Okay, this is a good opportunity for a buy on Ethereum USDT, but we're not going to place this buy. Okay, I'm not going to place a buy here because, and this is the reason. You see, if I place a buy here, my stop loss is going to be here. Okay, my stop loss will be here, and um, Ethereum is a no joke instrument. Okay, so it's not an instrument you can toy with. I'm telling you. If you're having $10, if you're having $15, if you have below $50, Ethereum can send you into zero account balance. All right. So that is why I hardly give signals on those kind of instruments. Okay. But I love to analyze them though, and I love to trade them. I love to hold position on them because I have the equity, I have the balance. Okay. And that is why I always advise you, the newbie, make sure you fund your account, fund to a certain level. If you really want to take forex trading, serious, you want to make it a business. As you know, forex trading is business. I'm telling you. Okay, you have to see it the way you see your, your normal business. If you see forex trading that way, trust me, it will work for you. Okay. So you just need to invest the amount you can afford to, lose. Make sure you don't invest all your capital, and then always practice risk management. Okay, risk management is very important also. So that is why anytime I'm giving instruction on or a signal on any crypto instrument, I always say if you're having a balance less than $20, I'll advise you stay away from the signal. Okay, because if the market goes against us, you might end up losing an amount that is not suitable for your account. All right, so moving on. Um, we are currently on Ethereum USDT 15 minutes time frame, and as I've said earlier, we have the two moving averages below the current candle. So the current candle printed bullish, and it closed above the two moving averages. Okay, so it closed above the moving average, and if I zoom out on this, you can see that the moving average are also closing. Okay, they are crossing. Okay, they are crossing each other right now. um, so with the movement we have here, it's obvious that this market is going to buy. I'm telling you. But I've said earlier, the reason why I'm not going to call out this trade, the reason why I'm not going to give this signal is because This is, you see, our stop loss is way too far. Okay, our stop loss is way too far. So if this market goes against us, damn, it's gonna take a lot. All right, so all right. So we are currently on BNB USDT. Okay. So BNB USDT is also on a bearish move. Okay. Because as you can see from here, it's obvious we have a break of structure, we have a break of structure, we have another break of structure here. So we have multiple break of structures, and then we have this current low. Okay, we have this current low, and we are expecting the market. We are expecting the market to come down to this level before making a valid high. Okay, we have a low, we have a high, but this cannot be considered a low. Okay, this is an internal low. Okay, yes, you can call this internal low, but you can't consider this an external low. Okay, so once this gets breaking to the downside, then we will have a new low, which is an external low. But right now, this is an internal structure. So this is an internal low. And if you want to analyze this market right now, you want to look at it from the point of view here, what is going on here currently. Okay. So now let's see. We already know that the structure is bearish. Okay. The structure is bearish. So then now we are looking for where the market would likely make a bearish stand. Okay, so we want to see market would make a bearish stand. All right, so we have this fair value gap, and let's go down to the 15 minutes time frame. So on the 15 minutes time frame, we also have an internal structure printing bullish candles. Okay, it's printing bullish candles, and as you can see, the market uh, has been moving bullish for a while. On the 15 minutes time frame, we have multiple areas where the market had also breaking structures to the upside. Okay, all right. Okay, so now let's go down to 5 minutes time frame because the structure looks good, and this can be a good opportunity to enter for a sell trade, for a buy trade rather. So you see, we have a fresh breakout, and we have this other block. I think the market is going to come back to the other block. Okay, we have this other block. We have this other block. All right, so we want the market to come back into this other block. Then we take a sell, a buy trade. Okay, we take a buy trade. Okay, so the market is still pulling down. Uh, let's see what happens when it gets to this level. I think we have analysis on XAUUSD. We were keeping tabs on. Okay, we don't have any on XAUUSD. Okay, I think it was BTC. Okay, yes. So we have on BTC USDT, but the market is still, around the zone, and we want the market to come down to this level. This is where we want to take our trade from. Okay, this is where we want to take our trade from. Uh, okay. So you see, on Ethereum, all these zones are liquidity zones. The market took out liquidity around this level. Okay, the market took liquidity around the zone, and then we have the market breaking structure from here. All right. So let's see what happens when Ethereum USDT moves to this level. Okay. And then we have BNB USDT making a move to the downside, approaching our order block level. So let's see what happens when the market gets to this point where we have the order block. Okay, so let's see how the current candle, uh, close. Right, we already have a bearish candle here. So I want this next candle to also be bearish. That way it gets to our entry point, and then when it gets here, I want to see a rejection. Okay, a candle rejection. So once we get the rejection, we enter for a buy trade. Right. So we currently have less than 4 minutes to the end of this current candle. All right, so less than 3 minutes to the end of the current candle. Okay, so the candle is still trying to get into our entry point. You see? All right, so we have less than 2 minutes and just a peep to our entry point. All right. So the candle closed, but our trigger point, they didn't get to our trigger point. Okay. All right. So we have 4 minutes there about to the end of this current candle. But so instead of waiting uh, for this particular one, I think we should make analysis on other instruments. Then we can come back here later to see if our entry point has been triggered. Okay. Now let's analyze the forex market. Okay, and we're going to be starting with GBP USD. So guys, I gave this signal to my premium members yesterday, and we made heavy profit. Okay, we made heavy profit, I'm telling you. So you see, this is why you need to become a premium member to enjoy all these benefits. You see, this also went in to first take profit, even though it didn't hit second take profit, but we still made profit anyways. So uh, how we did that? It's not existing again. Can't you get what I'm saying? It's not existing again on the side. It's not that automatic. Are you able to do something for me? So, all right. So let's analyze Euro GBP. So we have the market taking out liquidity here, and we have this move where markets change character. Right? So we have all these areas, and currently the market seems to be respecting uh, this, which is the area where we have the upper trend line. Okay, and it looks like it's respecting the trend line right now. Okay, but look at this. We have you see we have this level. We have this level where our first fair value gap is. Okay, that is where our first fair value gap is. But I'm not too sure if the market is going to come all the way back to this level. And the reason is because you see, after the break of our trend line to this level, and then when the market came to this level, even though we have, you see, we also have a fair value gap here, which is our number one uh, criteria for a sell or for a buy. And then we have the two moving average above, and the candle are closing below the two moving average. Then we also have our trend line level, and the market broke the trend line level and now it's retesting trend line. Okay, so for this I have enough reason to say the market may not come back to this level. The market can decide to continue to sell right from here. Okay, well, yeah, let's just give it a few moments to see if this would work out. Okay, and right now on the 15 minutes time frame, it looks like the market is trying to close above the fair value, the moving averages. And once this happens, that means the market will probably get up to this level before making a U-turn. Okay. All right. So we have 3 minutes there about to the end of this candle. So if this closes above this level, if this current candle closed above this trend line, we are going to place a buy trade to this level. Okay, and then we can set a sell limit here. When the market get to this point, the market will trigger a sell order. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Okay, so you see the market is closing above the level, which is a good sign for a buy, and we have less than 2 minutes to the end of this current candle. All right, guys. So you see the candle closed, but it closed above. Okay, and it's heading towards this level right now. So I'm going to send this to the general group once the market gets to this point. All right. So guys, that will be all for today. I'll see you on our next session.